Kagiwa kontra Patil as old as time. The fade away.
15 feet pa rin. Hindi naman yun. Oh, basket counts here.
Forte coming up here for James Yap, one of the better scoring night.
Against dito sa opensa ng Sandy Kobe. Naku mo! Lumipad! Tumalikod! Pumekto sa ere!
Never seen a shot like that.
Yung camera from above. Talaga sarili mo.
Ganda ng extra pass.
Oh! Again! Dunk number 3, my friend.
This is where the absence of Joe Lombardo will witness.
Masundutan ito si Terence. Kita mo naman yung reverse na yun. Lalit ng pinagtubutan.
Benefiting from that.
Are you kidding me?
Cow! That was his left.
Looking to go coast to coast. There's the hang. A little bit of hang time on the foul. But what hang time by Cyrus Baggio. That was just a great move by Cyrus Baggio. Sumaksak sa loob. Wow! What a shot by Mark Kagiwa.
Eh, pinagtulungan-tulungan na siya ng lahat ng tigre.
Oh! Wrap around.
Back to Helterbrand. Helterbrand goes all the way inside. Unbelievable shot. What a shot by J.J. Helterbrand. It's very scary.
James Yap, crossover all the way for two. Through two defenders to make that shot. That was just incredible ball control and body control.
Here comes the white shirt. Kimbo! Throws it down! Kimbo!
A little bit. What a move! Oh!
And they're up to the races. And naman, mga galaw! Cyrus Baggio!
Got to my bad, buddy. On the semi-curl, and that's just a crazy shot. Nice. With the left, by the way. That's his left hand.
Oh, what a throw down there by Kelly Williams over Reda Ralimi. Grabe, no?
Maganda pinapakita. Boto na po kayo. And Japet with a jab. Emphasizing.
Tingnan natin kung magpangkaras Kagiwa. Wow! Mark Kagiwa with a sinker shot.
Yes, sir! Iyak na lang pinagaganda pa. And James Yap, simple layups can be a work of art.
Terence Romeo!
Oh, what a dance move by Terence Romeo. Oh, another one from CJ Perez. Pinagaganda pa niya lagi.